Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Legal Updates. This is Rishabh Shukla. So today we shall discuss about the capital punishment which has been given in section 53 of class 1 of the Indian Penal Code 1860, जो भारतीय दंड संहिता 1860 के अंदर सेक्शन 53 के अंदर दी गई है, उसके बारे में हम चर्चा करेंगे. So today we shall discuss about the 2 points. First, what have been the condition of the death punishment under CRPC, under Criminal Procedure Code, and the second, what have been the view of the Supreme Court and what parameter have been set by the Supreme Court by different case laws on which the death punishment may be awarded to any convict. So today we shall discuss only on the 2 points. So before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So now let's start. Firstly, we shall discuss what have been the condition of the death punishment under CRPC. Okay, so till 1898 death punishment was a rule and the life imprisonment was an exception under CRPC, and the reason will have to be coded by the court under section 367 class 5 of the CRPC. If any convict is to be awarded lesser punishment than the death sentence, then it is the duty of the court that it should quote the reasons or special reasons in writings under section 367 class 5 of the CRPC. Till 1998 it was the 1898 now sorry not 1998 1898 it was the real condition in India, but in 1898 it must be 1898. In 1898 this section 367 class 5 of the CRPC have been omitted, and that time courts have become free to award the death sentence or the life imprisonment or lesser punishment than the death sentence. That time when the section 367 of the class 5 have been omitted, the courts have become free, and that have become the discretionary power of the court that whether they award the death sentence or they award the life imprisonment for any crime to any convict. Okay, and after that in the 1962 this question of the abolishment of the death sentence have been referred to the law commission. Law commission have taken the cognizance of it and have been referred to the law commission that death sentence in India must be abolished. But in the 35th report of it, law commission didn't favor the abolishment of the death sentence. Law commission didn't favor the abolishment of the death sentence. So these were the conditions till 1962. But so we shall discuss what is the present condition in the CRPC of the death sentence. In the present time, life imprisonment is a rule and the death sentence is a exception. In the 1898 death sentence was a rule and the life imprisonment was an exception, and in the present time CRPC 1973 section 354 clause 3 it gives that life imprisonment is a rule, means primarily the life imprisonment will be awarded. If there is a exceptional condition, then the death sentence will be awarded, but a reason will have to be given in awarding the death sentence. If any person is going to be awarded death sentence, then the court will have to given the reason in writings under section 354 class 3 of the CRPC. So it is the present condition of the death sentence under CRPC in India. From 1898 we have started and we have come to the present time. So now we shall discuss what is the view of the Supreme Court, what parameter in different case laws have been set, and how the validity of the death sentence in India by the Supreme Court, by the judges of the Supreme Court, have been justified by giving the reasons. So now in the 1973 three cases came. First case, Jagmohan Singh versus State of UP 1973. In this case Supreme Court held valid death sentence and disagree from the arguments. In this case 3 arguments have been given by the prosecution. First, that right to life is an unrestricted life. It cannot be restricted by anyone at any time. And the second, gave the second argument, Article 14 and Article 21, and another that it cannot be coexistive. So 3 arguments have been given, but Supreme Court disagreed from all these arguments and held that death sentence is a valid. And second case, Mohinder Singh versus Delhi Administration 1973. In this case, Supreme Court justified the death sentence by giving the reason. So in both the cases, Supreme Court justified the death sentence and held it valid. And the third case of the Rameswar versus State of UP 1973, and in this case Supreme Court awarded the death sentence and justified it to the old man. When the Supreme Court awarded and justified the death sentence against the old woman, in this case Rameswar versus State of UP. So in the 1973 3 cases came, and in all these 3 cases Supreme Court held that death sentence is a valid one. Okay. And the fourth case in the 1979, Rajendra Prasad versus State of UP. Rajendra Prasad versus State of UP. In this case, Supreme Court expressed its view and said that death sentence should not be awarded to those convicts who are not dangerous to society. Death sentence should be awarded to those convicts who are very much dangerous to the society. And the second special reason must relate to the criminal, not crime alone. Okay, the reason which is going to be quoted by the courts must relate to the criminality of that convict, not only the crime. Okay, this view has been expressed in the Rajendra Prasad versus State of UP 1979. And in the 1980, the most leading case of the Supreme Court, which set the parameter on which death sentence is awarded till now, rarest of the rare condition, Bachchan Singh versus State of Punjab 1980. In this case, Supreme Court expressed its view and said that death sentence may be awarded in the condition where it will be seen that it was the rarest of the rare condition and the murder have been committed brutally. That death sentence is a ultimate option, ultimate punishment to that convict. In that case, the death sentence will be awarded, rarest of the rare. If I will discuss the rarest of the rare condition, then this lecture will go short. So I will sum up by this, and in the next video I will discuss what are the rarest of the rare condition. So in the present time, it has become very undeciding that what are the parameters by which it will be judged that it is the rarest of the rare. In this case, Supreme Court gave some grounds on which it will be judged that it is the rarest of the rare or not, but although it is undeciding thing. Okay, so in the next video I will discuss what is the rarest of the rare condition in which death punishment may be awarded to any convict. Okay, so see you in the next video with the rarest of the rare. Till that time, bye bye, and like my videos.